this was a great question. How can we update Google Maps, specifically for businesses that we don't own? Let me show you what you can do in Google Maps. I went to google.com. Heck, let me start from the beginning. Go to Google Maps. Right here it is, maps.google.com. I'm going to look for Chinese restaurant. Chinese food. Oop, I spelled food wrong. It doesn't care, still got it. So I found a bunch of Chinese restaurants. There they are right here. Chiang Tai, Lee's Chinese, Jade Garden, Number One China, etc. And look, Chick-fil-A is not a Chinese, but it's got restaurants in there anyway. So but I found this restaurant. Let's go to, Lee's Chinese restaurant, okay? Let's click on that. Okay, Lee's Chinese restaurant. It's at 4138 Clemens Road in Tanglewood Commons. I think I know where that's at. If I double click on this, can I go zoom in? Yeah, see, I can zoom in and find it. I know where that's at right there. It's at a restaurant, at a shopping mall. But look, how can I update this or impact what people find here? Look, first of all, can I take ownership of this? Sometimes you can take ownership of that, but do that appropriately. Don't do that maliciously. But I can suggest an edit. Click on that. Look here. Change name or other details. Close or remove. Now, you want to do this deliberately. You don't want to be doing this nefariously or with evil intentions in mind. But if you know that that restaurant is closed, you could click on close or remove, and you could select one of these options right here, including report a legal issue. And when you do that, let's see what happens in other. Remove. So I got other options here. Add photos, add a photo. There's lots of different things I can do. Permanently closed, doesn't exist, not open to the public, move to a new location. And once you select that, I'm not going to go through that. Let's see, let's see, move to a new location. It's going to want to know the address. And I put the address in there, and then I can submit. But again, when you do this, what I recommend you do is you be very purposeful about making whatever recommendations or suggestions you do, and do it for the right reasons. Google Maps, maps.google.com, find the address, find the venue. If it shows up on a Google map, then you can click on it, bring it up, and you can suggest and edit. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. Hope this is helpful for you.